Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add video in Canva. So let's get started. At first, log into your account and from here, click on video. You can choose a video template or add your video. Go to the sidebar and select upload. Then go for videos. Here your uploaded video will appear. You can drag the video file here to upload or connect an account. You can also record yourself. Now choose Upload Files. It will open your file. Select the video you want to add. Click on it. Now open. Okay, there you go. It will take some time to upload the video. Once it's uploaded, you can drag and drop the video into your design. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.